Hello, good everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we're going to be drawing this 3D object using all the dimensions given on the image. If you're a beginner or you're looking forward to sharpen your skills, this channel is going to help you so much. Before we start, kindly click on the white button below to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. So on this we're going to start with this top part of it, starting with the user. First of all, we're going to turn this to southeast isometry, and then the front view. So now we have diameter of 20, radius of 20, diameter 20, enter, then center radius, center radius 20, enter, and then we have from the center to this point 45. Use line, enter. And then we also have that this line, the length is 60, since this bigger circle is 60 in diameter, therefore this line, the length is 60. So 60 divided by 2 is 30. So use line 30 to the left, enter, and also 30 to the right, enter. So now we are going to join this. I'm going to use line, and also line, so we can delete this line. So now we are going to make this tangential to the circle. So you go to parametric, click on parametric, you click on tangent, you click on the circle, on the line, also tangent, click on the circle, click on the line. Now as you can see, this line is not touching the circle anymore, so you're going to use extend. Type on your keyboard extend, you click on the extend, you go to the line, it will extend and touch the circle. Also this side to extend and touch the circle. Escape. Then from this, now you see that here is touching the line, while here is not touching the line. So we are going to drag it, click on it, you drag it from here to here. So this is it. So we'll now trim off the unnecessary point. You go back to home, select trim, I'll trim off these points. So we have this. Now we are going to press pull this. We press pull this. The distance is 50 from here to here, as from here to here is 50. So we press pull it, 50, enter. So now we're going to make this hole. So what do we get? Have here 50, and here from this point here, from this point to this point is 25. So 50 minus 25 is 25. So therefore the thickness of these two is 25 divided by 2, which is 12.5. So this from this point to this point is 12.5, while from this point to this point is 12.5. And also this, the height is 15. So from here to here is 15. So 50 minus 15 is 35. sorry, 65 minus 15 is 50, not 50. From this point to this point is 65. 65 minus 15 is 50. So we are going to use this face, the right view. Use the right view, and then we use rectangle. The width, so the length is 25 while the width is 50. Click on tab button on your keyboard, then 50, enter. So we click on this, we move it from here to the center. So now since from this point to this point is 15, we are going to select this and move it up 15, drag it up 15, enter. No, sorry, we're going to click this and take it up 15, enter. So we have this. So now we are going to press pull this to form this hole. Now we're going to press pull this. Click on our press pull tool, enter. Since we have this, we're going to subtract. So select our subtract tool, click on the main body, enter. Then click on this, enter. Then it has been subtracted. You have this, it has been subtracted. So now we're going to form this one. We're going to form this and then join the two of them. So since we have from the center of this to here as 80, so what we are going to do now is we're going to form this 80 minus 45 for us to get the length from here to the middle. For us to get the length from this point to the middle, we have to do 80 minus 45, which is 35, So that means from this point to this point is 35. So we are going to select this face, front view. So we'll use our rectangle, the length, use our rectangle, and the length, we also know that the length is 60 while the width is 35. 80 minus 45, which is 35. So 60, click on the tab button, and 35, enter. So we have this. Now we are going to put the center circle. Has the diameter of 60, and also the inner one has the diameter of 32. So center diameter 60, enter. And also the inner one, which is which has a diameter of 32, enter. So now we're going to remove this line. We're going to trim off this line. We trim off this line. So now we're going to press pull. I'm going to press pull now to form this. So since we have 50 minus 15, 50 minus 15 is, if we do 50 minus 15, it is going to give us 35. So now 35 divided by 2 to give us 17.5. So therefore from here to here is 17.5, while from here to here it is 17.5. And also the thickness of this is 15. So we click on our Presspull, make this 15, enter, and then 17.5, enter. So we rotate this, so I have to Presspull these two. So 17.5, since it's coming from the inside, so we're going to add both that 15 to it. So 17.5 plus 15, we have 32.5. 32.5, enter. So now we're going to make all of this one body by union. Select our union tool, select this, select this, enter. We cannot delete this line, that is here. We don't need it. So you use 2D wireframe and we delete the line. We go back to our shades of gray. So now we turn this to southeast isometry again. So now we have this. We are going to now assemble the two body. Select this, move from this point to the center. Then we have this. Thank you.